In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to apply for GitHub Student Benefits. This is a great opportunity for eligible students to access GitHub Pro and other development tools and resources at no cost. First, open your web browser and search for GitHub Student Developer Pack. From the search results, open the official GitHub page for the Student Developer Pack. Once you're on the page, look for the button that says Sign up for Student Developer Pack and click on it. This will take you to the application and verification process. If prompted, sign in to your GitHub account. Next, start a new application and select Student when asked about your status. You'll then need to provide information about your educational institution, enter your school's name in the appropriate field, and provide your school email address if you have one. Make sure the information you provide is accurate, as GitHub uses it to verify your student status. If GitHub asks you to provide additional proof of enrollment, select the type of documentation you want to submit. Depending on what's accepted, this may include a student ID, class schedule, transcript, or enrollment letter. Upload your document when prompted and make sure the information is clear and readable. After providing the required information and documentation, review your application and click Continue or the corresponding Submit button. Your application will then be sent to GitHub for review. The verification process can take some time, so keep an eye on your email for updates from GitHub. Once your application is approved, you'll be able to access the benefits included with the GitHub Student Developer Pack. And that's it. You've successfully applied for GitHub Student Benefits. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.